Alright, for our 6-minute solution this week, we are going to be reading a passage. And as we're reading it, I want us to talk about author's purpose again. Remember, the author is the person that writes the story. And the purpose is, why did they write it? Okay? Usually, an author will have one of 3 reasons. What does this one say? To inform, to entertain, or to persuade. Raise your hand if you know what it means to inform. Why would an author write something to inform? Peter?
To tell you something like, maybe that a tiger is the biggest cat.
Yeah, they might be trying to teach us that a tiger is a big cat, right? Come up here and let's pop the balloon and see what it means to inform.
Pop it, pop it.
Okay? Read it with me. Ready? To teach you something. A lot of our 6-minute solutions are meant to teach you something. Like last week we learned a lot about sea cows, right? Okay? If the author's purpose is to entertain, Alyssa, what is the author doing?
It's trying to make you have a fun story.
Just kind of a fun story. Or a story that makes you sad or happy or excited or makes you think. But it's a story.
Yeah, smart.
Okay, let's come up and see.
Smart. Pop the balloon. Smart.
Let's pop it and see. To tell a story. Okay, this is the one that alright. The story looks like this. So listen to it while I read it to you and try to decide what the author's purpose is.
Can you go very far down?
Okay? I'll scroll down the way down. Well, listen to it, okay? Let's see if the author is trying to teach you about something, just to tell you a story, or convince you of something. Okay? Susan was nervous because it was her first day attending a new school. What was the author's purpose for writing this story? Raise your hand if you think you know what the author's purpose was. Jacob? To entertain. Were they trying to tell you any facts about anything? No? Okay, Jacob, can you come up here and find the words to entertain and drag it down and see if you're right? Good job. All right. So, in our 6-minute solution, all right, now that you have read the story, we are going to answer some questions about it, reviewing a lot of those comprehension skills that we've talked about this year. I'm going to start this question, then I'm going to show it to you, and I want you to read it, make sure you read all your choices, and then put in your best answer. Where should your voice be when we do this? Kaylee? At 0, because you're going to do your own thinking. And then we're going to see how we did as a class, and we'll talk about it if we need to.
Got it.
All right. Amy, did you have a question? All right. I'm going to go ahead and stop the question.
How many kids do we have here today?
13.
Oh, come on! Yes. Oh, come on!
All right. What kind of question was this? Look at our comprehension board over there.
What?
What kind of question is it? Look at all of our stuff. Was it asking about prior knowledge? Inferring, author's purpose, cause and effect? Peter? Kaylee? Cause and effect.
Probably A. Oh, it's C.
What is C?
C. I don't know. Oh. It's a mammoth. A mammoth? It's a sea cow.